Aryan, the cyber guardian in the final battle. Aryan had defeated Shadow Code, but he knew the real battle was not over yet. Dr. Zoros, once a government scientist, had now turned into a digital terrorist. Sitting in his secret island headquarters, Zorax watched as Shadow Code was destroyed, but instead of fear, his face carried a sinister smile. Aryan, you may have beaten my Shadow Code, but that was just the first step of my plan. The real game begins now. Zorax had developed a new technology, Omega Virus, a program capable of turning any machine into a cybernetic monster. This time he was not just targeting a city, he was aiming for the entire world. Aryan was at home repairing his cyber suit when suddenly Chip gave a danger alert. Aryan supercomputers worldwide are sending the same message, Omega activated. Aryan checked his screen. New York, London, Tokyo, Delhi. Power grids were failing, airport systems were crashing, and robots were attacking humans. Zorax has launched his attack. Aryan grit his teeth. We have to stop him, and this time it will be the most dangerous fight we have ever faced. Aryan activated his super speed jet and flew toward Zorax's hidden island, buried deep beneath the Atlantic Ocean. But reaching it was not easy. As soon as he got close, a massive robotic octopus emerged from the sea. Epic underwater battle. The octopus mechanical technical grabbed Aryan's jet. Aryan used his electropulse blast to burn through them. But suddenly the octopus launched plasma missiles, shaking the jet violently. With quick thinking, Aryan activated his sonic wave device, sending shockwaves through the ocean, disabling the octopus. With the path cleared, Aryan dived straight into Zorax's headquarters. As Aryan entered, Zorax was already waiting. Welcome, Aryan. You may have stopped my earlier attacks, but now you cannot defeat me. Zorax laughed. Then Zorax did something terrifying. He merged himself with the Omega virus, transforming into a cyber demon. The ultimate battle begins. Zorax fired plasma beams, but Aryan blocked them with his energy shield. Zorax's mechanical arms tried to crush Aryan, but Aryan dodged with ultra speed. Chip hacked into the virus, trying to find a weakness, but Zorax was too advanced. Aryan realized he could not win by brute force. He had to outsmart Zorax. Chip sent a reverse virus into Zorax's system. Aryan commanded, "Final move." Chip launched an antivirus code corrupting Zorax's system. Zorax tried one last attack, but Aryan unleashed a cyber blast, destroying him completely. Boom! Zorax's entire headquarters exploded and the world was safe once more. The battle was over. Aryan, exhausted but victorious, took a deep breath. Thank you, Chip. We did not just save the world, we secured its future. For the first time, there was no hidden villain, no looming danger. The fight was truly over. Aryan returned home, where people cheered for him. But he knew that being a hero was not about fame, it was about doing what's right. He looked his cyber suit away in a secret wallet, choosing to live as a normal person. Now he was just Aryan, no longer the cyber guardian, no longer a warrior, just a man who had once saved the world. And this time it was truly over.